Hey guys, right now we are sitting at the airport. We are leaving to Kilimanjaro and we are going for holidays. We are 2 for 4 days, right?
4 days.
Yes, we are going for 4 days and yes, we are going to see a lot of animals, wild animals, zebra, giraffe, lion, right Tarasha? Tarasha? Yeah? Are you excited?
Yes!
So yes, we are going, first we are going to Kilimanjaro, then Arusha, and then Serengeti. Yes. And who is going with us?
Moses.
Moses.
Moses,
Yes.
our Tanzanian guide, our Tanzanian friend, is going with us and we are going to enjoy a lot and we will keep you updated.
So here we are boarding our flight to Kilimanjaro airport. I'm so excited right now. Actually, we are not going to visit Mount Kilimanjaro. We are going to visit Tarangeri National Park and then Ngorongoro Conservation Area and Serengeti National Park. So it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Put this one here. So Tarasha is trying to fasten her seat belt and she is more excited than me. This is her 4th flight. It just took 1 hour to reach Arusha from Dar es Salaam. Tarasha is really enjoying her travel. This is her 4th trip by air, so she's so excited. Finally landed at our destination airport, which is Kilimanjaro International Airport. I met this woman in flight. She was so kind and nice. She was from Botswana. She was playing with Tarasha and we just talked to each other throughout the flight. Now I'm entering into the airport. First they will sanitize your hands and check your temperature and then collect your check-in bags. After getting our luggage, we boarded car from 4 Point Hotels by Sheraton and head straight towards our hotel in Arusha. Right now I am in Arusha in Tanzania. It took just an hour to reach our hotel. So here we reach. So let me show you the property as well. This is a beautiful hotel by Sheraton chain of hotels. This is the entrance and this is the sitting arrangement and the restaurant area where we had our lunch. We really had a superb delicious lunch, shahi paneer, tawa roti and matar mushroom. So this is the restaurant. This is also a sitting arrangement of the restaurant. And this is the beautiful garden, beautiful garden. So this is our hotel room, which is very neat and have super clean beds. And in this pandemic era, they sanitized their room after each and every use. This is very nice and hygienic. And Tarasha is super excited as usual. Have a look at outer view from my room, a garden where wedding is going on. Yeah, this is the wedding. This is Clock Tower just outside our hotel. Amazing, and you can't believe this is center of whole East Africa, located in Arusha. Now heading to Masai Market before I start my safari. This is a very big market located just 200 meters from our hotel. There are more than 250 shops here. Unbelievable. All the items you can see in this video are all handcrafted by local skilled artists. They have so many items that at first I was wondering what actually I came here to buy. There are wooden masks, big or small, handicrafted and painted wooden bowl, kitchen items, spoons, wooden plates, woven bags of different colors, and jewelry, laundry bags, woven laundry bags, and whatnot. Since this is a tourist destination, so things are little bit expensive, but options are unlimited. This is the mirror. So I found this wooden plate. I really liked it and it was appropriate for my recipe videos, but that was so heavy, so I couldn't buy as we need to travel a lot further. And I got this set of bowl for dips, and these are woven bags. Awesome. There were chopsticks, forks, spoons. Everything is wooden, handmade. So I got this cute giraffe chopsticks. There are a lot of zebra and giraffe chopsticks. And a lot of serving spoons. This is the hub of handicraft things, and the magnets, and I really like those bowls also. They are so beautiful, colorful bowl. If you know the local language, it will help you in negotiation, which is an added advantage. I know a little bit local language, so I can deal with them in negotiation. People who like handicraft items to decorate their houses, this is the hub for you. Africa is hub for you. those Masai chappals, t-shirts, harems and bags. So many things. This is Maniara Street and there are so many lanes like Gorongoro, Serengeti Lane, many more. This is the giraffe mask. And I got these Masai chappals for Tarasha, but those were so tight for her and she was not comfortable. So I bought wall hanging, masks, footwear, bag and many more things from this market, which I will show you in my haul video.
I don't like it.
And guys, this is just a trailer, so keep watching and stay tuned for the picture. Bye bye.